Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's video is a requested video. One of my colleague asked me to. He want to put coordinates here with the station to show to surveyor if they want to put the coordinate of the center line and pipe or anything on side. So they need coordinate with the station. Then I added one thing more. If you need something, you need PGL with this station. So I will make video for both for the PGL and coordinates. So hopefully it will help you when you are working on site. So let's start. The first thing, I will put PGL. If you want to put PGL, suppose this is our profile and this is the alignment, and the alignment name is road A center line, and this the PGL is road. The name is PGL road. Apparent alignment is road A center line, and these are the profile grade level. So I want to show it with the station. So what will I do? First thing, I will go to right click on the alignment and I will go to edit alignment labels. From here, because these stations are belong to major station, so I will edit. I will go inside here and I will click the edit bar. From here, there are two options are already available here. One station and the other tick. I will add another new thing, which is reference text. Reference text is when I click on the reference text, is asking what type of reference you want to add to your alignment. So I want to add the profile which is called PGL level or profile. I want it to my alignment station with station. Okay, click OK and there it's appear. You can give name to it. Suppose this is PGL. The true it will show the feature anchor component is feature anchor point anchor station. It will appear with same like you are seeing the sign of interrogation, because we did not select this one. So from here, from the contents, I will go to label text, and from here I will select the profile elevation. I will select this one, profile elevation, and click on this one. Click OK. From here, if you want to change the color, you can change, or if you don't want, suppose the blue color as there the profile grade is blue, or the yellow, any type of color, you can see here, and click apply, click OK, apply, and OK. You can change the size, the text size from there. Now you can see there is a sign with each station, how many station, how long this. With each station there is a sign of interrogation. So how you will adjust this? Click on this and press Ctrl 1 for the properties. For the properties, when you click here, now you can see select alignment station. From here, this child, this color, anything here. From the if I from here, if I increase the width, this card, the name of my tech Karthik parallel with the PGL. I from here select the design, not the NGL. If you will select NGL here, the NGL level appear. So as I check there, this the name of the profile was road, so I select there. Now you can see for 50 it's appear 668.901. If I go here, this 0 25 50 668.901, same like 300 663.791, 300 663.791. So this was the method how you can show the PGL level with your station. For my colleague, he asked for the coordinates. The same process, I will go here, the label. From here I will edit, and here in this part the station, with the station already the station is here, so here inside there press enter, and here if you can see there is easting, select and click the arrow, then press enter again and select the northing, and here and the northing is here. Now easting and northing, you can select from here, you can change the color from here if you want. Suppose I want the other color for these both, so now you can see this color, click ok. Click apply. You can adjust this the place bar here if you want. You can adjust bottom, already we discussed this thing. So from here the size, click apply ok, and then ok, apply and ok. Now with my alignment, the station, uh, coordinates, profile level, everything appear here. If you want to adjust, you can adjust from the from here the setup. Go to here and change the position from here. If you can see, the station is accepted and y offset. If you click on 0, and then you can see is down, so minus, if you put minus 2.5, the size is coming down like this. You can adjust minus 5. Now apply ok. You can see here, now the coordinates, and you can adjust this font outside, above the one like this. So this was today video. This was requested video. The next video I will make on the grading, continuing to our classes. So okay, thank you.